Sigma Rules for Real Life in 2025, a motivational guide. Hello, Golden Eagle USA community. Today, let's dive into the Sigma Rules for Real Life in 2025, the principles that help you thrive while staying true to yourself. These are the rules that the strongest individuals live by, and they can change your perspective and empower your future. Sigma Rule 1. Self-reliance. Never depend on others to achieve your goals. Be the one who sets the pace. In 2025, the world moves fast, and only those who rely on their own strength make it through. Sigma Rule 2. Emotional control. Master your emotions. In challenging moments, it's your ability to stay calm and collected that will set you apart. Sigma Rule 3. Adaptability. Change is inevitable. The Sigma individual adapts quickly, understanding that every challenge presents an opportunity to grow. Moral story. There was a young man named Jason who was passionate about technology. He worked tirelessly on his startup. Everyone doubted him. One day, a major competitor came up with a similar product, threatening to overshadow him. Jason didn't panic. Instead of competing directly, he changed his approach, focusing on a unique feature that no one else had thought of. His startup became the leader in the market. The moral? When life challenges you, adapt, innovate, and never give up. Moral of the story. The story of Jason teaches us the power of resilience, adaptability, and independent thinking. In 2025, the Sigma individual does not fear challenges. They face them with courage and vision. Punchline. Remember, Sigma individuals lead their own lives, not by the expectations of others, but by their own rules. So, stand tall, stay focused, and live with purpose. You are the eagle soaring in the sky, and no storm can stop you from reaching greater heights. Outro. Thank you for watching Golden Eagle USA. Stay strong, stay Sigma, and let your life be a testament to your own greatness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Until next time, soar high.